Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable Assistive Ball. In the beginning enter Settings and go to Additional Settings. Now enter Quick Ball and switch this button to enable Quick Ball. As you can see right now, Assistive Ball is enabled. You can also customize it from the menu right here. For example, you can select shortcuts, change gesture, enable hide automatically for apps, move aside, stick to the edge, change wake up areas, and enable or disable show on lock screen. If you want to disable this function, again switch this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.